Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, day 10 of our 100 days of Python challenge. We are exploring Python's if-else statements. These are crucial for making decisions in your code. Let's dive in. We use logical conditions like double equals to, not equals to, less than or equals to, greater than or equals to in if statements. Indentation is key in Python. Without it, you will get an error. Use elif for additional conditions and else to catch anything not caught by the previous conditions. For a quick checks, use shorthand if and if else statements. Logical operators like and, or, and not help combine conditions. Don't forget, you can nest if statements and use the past statements if needed. That's a quick review of if else in Python. Practice these to make your code smarter. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.